we're here at the car auction and I'm looking at this, well, it says 500 horsepower Lancer, probably a rally art. Although it has the fender for an Evolution. I only see one exhaust, but no, it may be an Evolution, probably Evolution. So why am I doing this video? All you guys that like carbon fiber, I wouldn't advise you getting it here in South Florida, because this is what happens to it. Damn, I'd be pissed off if I got that carbon fiber hood and this is what happens to it. Man, oh man. So there you go. Be aware of the carbon fiber hood. I don't know if this is a cheap carbon fiber hood. It does look like it's real carbon fiber. It doesn't look like, you know, the wrap. So there you have it, guys. Take it easy.